she writing poetry now? Was she writing poetry yesterday? Were they writing poetry at the time? Am I writing poetry correctly? Have you written poetry before? Has he written a poem recently? Had he written any poetry when you saw him? What do you write? Where do you write your poetry? When do you write poetry? Why do you write poetry? Who writes poetry in your class? Which poem did you write yesterday? Whom did you write the poem for? Whose poetry are you reading? How do you write your poetry? Listen. Do you listen to music? Does she listen to music every day? Did you listen to music last night? Are you listening to music? Is she listening to music right now? Was he listening to music yesterday? Were they listening to music when I called? I am listening to the right song. Have you listened to this song before? Has she listened to the new album? Had they listened to the song when you arrived? What music do you listen to? Where do you listen to music? When do you usually listen to music? Why do you listen to this song? Who listens to music in your house? Which song are you listening to? Whom do you listen to? Whose music are you listening to? How do you listen to music? Read. Do you read novels? Does she read novels often? Did you read a novel last week? Are you reading a novel? Is she reading a novel right now? Was he reading a novel when you saw him? Were they reading novels during the class? Am I reading the right novel? Have you read the novel yet? Has she read the novel before? Had you read the book when I asked you about it? What novel are you reading? Where do you read novels? When do you usually read novels? Why do you like to read novels? Who reads novels in your family? Which novel did you read last? Whom do you recommended this novel to? Whose novel are you reading? How do you read novels? See. Do you see the movie? Does she see him often? Did you see the game last night? Are you seeing the doctor today? Is she seeing a movie right now? Was he seeing Onion when you called? Were they seeing the concert last weekend? Am I seeing things clear? Have you seen that movie? Has she seen the new art exhibition? Had you seen the news before I told you? What did you see at the park? Where did you see him? When did you see the accident? Why did you see that movie? Who did you see at the party? Which movie did you see last night? Whom did you see at the event? Whose house did you see? How did you see the performance? Look. Do you look at the scenery often? Does she look at the view from the window? Did you look at the sunset yesterday? Are you looking at the mountains? Is she looking at the beautiful landscape? Was he looking at the stars last night? Were they looking at the ocean during the trip? Am I looking at the right place? Have you looked at the view from here? Has she looked at the picture you showed here? Had they looked at the map before they went hiking? What are you looking at? Where do you usually look for scenic views? When did you look at the landscape? Why do you look at the sky so often? Who are you looking at? Which direction are you looking in? Whom did you look at during the event? Whose view are you admiring? How do you look at the world around you? Pay attention. Do you pay attention in class? Does she pay attention to the teacher's explanation? Did you pay attention during the lesson yesterday? Are you paying attention to the class right now? Is he paying attention to the lesson? Was she paying attention when the teacher asked a question? Were they paying attention during the discussion? Am I paying enough attention to the topic? Have you paid attention to the instruction? Has she paid attention to the homework assessment? Had they paid attention when the teacher explained the exercise? What should we pay attention to during the class? Where do you usually pay attention in the classroom? When do you need to pay attention the most in class? Why do you think it's important to pay attention during the lesson? Who is paying attention to the teacher? Which part of the lesson do you pay the most attention to? Whom should we pay attention to during the class? Whose explanation do you pay attention to the most? How do you pay attention in the class? Sit. Do you sit at the front of the class? Does he sit next to you? Did they sit together during the lecture? Are you sitting in your usual seat? Is she sitting at the back of the room? Was he sitting when the teacher entered? Were they sitting quietly during the test? Are you sitting in your usual seat? Is she sitting at the back of the room? Was he sitting when the teacher entered? Were they sitting quietly during the test? Have you sat in this chair before? Has she sat in the front row during class? Had they sat for a long time when the bell rang? Where do you sit in the classroom? When do you usually sit down to study? Why do you sit at the back of the class? How long do you sit in class each day? Do you stand during the national anthem? Does she stand by the door during class? Did they stand up when the teacher entered? Are you standing in the hallway? Is he standing near the board? Was she standing when I spoke to her? Were they standing in line for the exam? Have you stood in front of the class before? Has he stood up to ask a question? Had they stood for a long time before the teacher arrived? Where do you stand during the flag ceremony? When do you usually stand up in class? Why are you standing near the window? How long do you stand during the break? Do you teach English? Does she teach history at this school? Did he teach you how to solve the problem. Are you teaching mathematics this semester? Is she teaching the new topic today? Was he teaching when I entered the room? Were they teaching in the afternoon yesterday? Have you taught this lesson before? Has she taught the student how to solve the equation? Had he taught the subject when I arrived? What do you teach in school? Where does she teach? When do you teach this subject? Why do you teach this class? How do you teach this lesson? New things every day. Does she learn quickly? Did you learn anything interesting today? Are you learning a new language? Is he learning to play the piano? Was she learning about history yesterday? Were they learning during the break? Have you learned this lesson before? Has she learned how to solve the problem? Had they learned about the topic when the class started? What do you learn in this class? Where do you learn new skill? When did you learn to write? Why do you want to learn this subject? This subject. How do you learn best? Do you speak English fluently? Does she speak to this class every day? Did he speak during the meeting? Are you speaking to the teacher right now? Is he speaking about the new topic? Was she speaking when the bell rang? Were they speaking in front of the class yesterday? Have you spoken to your classmate about the project? Has she spoken to the principal today? Had they spoken about the use before the meeting? What do you speak about in class? Where do you usually speak English? When do you speak in front of the class? Why do you speak so softly? How do you speak confidently in public? Do you walk to campus every day? Does she walk to class with her friends? Did you walk across the campus to attend the seminar? Are you walking to the library right now? Is he walking to the classroom for the next lecture? Have you walked to your lecture hall yet? Has she walked around the campus to check out the new building? Had they walked through the campus tour before enrolling? Where do you usually walk on campus? When do you usually walk to class? Why do you prefer to walk instead of taking the bus? How long does it take you to walk from the dorm to the faculty building? Present. Do you present your project in class every semester? Does she present her research findings to the class? Did you present your paper at the academic conference last year? Are you presenting your final project in front of the class? Is she presenting on behalf of the group today? Was he presenting the result when the professor entered the room? Were they presenting their research at the seminar last week? Have you presented your proposal to the department? Has she presented her ideas to the faculty members? Had they presented their findings before the deadline? What will you present at the academic conference? Where do you usually present your assessment? When do you need to present your final paper? Why do you think it's important to present your ideas